Hi, I'm Caleb Dunham. I'm a senior consultant at Continuus, and I've been working with our native apps team to develop a CT cargo shipping app. So coming into this here, when we start the app, you'll be defaulted to the home page that you see here. And for the initial install of the app, you will be prompted to select your FactSet database. So should be listed here in the dropdown. Selecting mine. Once that's completed, you'll get a message to then select your application from the sidebar over here. So coming over here, we're going to first go to see some shipment data. And what we have here are shipments coming into ports in the US with the total metric tons for each container, for all the containers coming into those ports. So we just have a couple of options for mapping here. There are many different types of mapping options we could use. There's just a couple, and you can kind of zoom in and scroll around the map, seeing. So let's say we want to check out Wilmington, see what's going on with Wilmington. So we come up here and we have our list of all the ports, and we're going to scroll down, of course, pick the last one, Wilmington. And once we select Wilmington, we will be zoomed into Wilmington. And once you've selected your port, you will see an option or a list of the manifest description, the containers with the manifest descriptions with their various total weight in metric tons. So we have our overview map with all of the different container shipments to the various US destination ports in total metric tons. And I'm going to take a look at, let's say, Elizabeth Port. And you'll see once this is completed, we'll have kind of a more focused in on that port. And below, you will see the manifest description for all the containers coming into Elizabeth in the time period with their total weight in metric tons. So kind of gives you an idea of what's coming into the different ports. If we then go over and we want to kind of see, dig into that a little more, come over to our port selection and we select our date range, and we can select origin or destination ports. And in this case, we have travel through the Red Sea as an option. This can be other options if you want to see shipments coming through various other parts of the world. That can be an option to add in. So let's go ahead and say yes to that. Hit submit. And we're provided a list of ports that, so origin ports in this date range that traveled through the Red Sea. And we're going to take a look at Bangkok. So we submit. While that's coming up, we are in the process of utilizing Snowflake's Cortex to map the manifest descriptions with the Ribix codes that will be used to produce the tree map that is on its way. So we end up with this tree map that's broken out by the various Ribix levels. And you can click on the various options to kind of drill down into the various groups, and the size of the box is the total weight in kilograms, and the color is the percent of total there. And you can also select, this is the L2 Rubik's level 2. So it kind of does the same thing as just selecting an individual box, but if you're on a tablet or a phone and you can't quite see all the little places over here, you can select from this group to help drill down, but it's the same consumer goods here. And that is our Continuus Cargo Shipping App. We also provide services if you want extra help with this kind of analysis, and we can make other custom apps.
All right. Wow. Thank you, Caleb. That was great. Before I let you go, I wanted to run through a few questions that came in from our audience. The first one is, what is the price of the native app and the FactSet shipping data? I'll take the app question. That's easy. It's free and it's available now on the Snowflake Marketplace. And Cole, I'll let you take the data question.
Sure. So the FactSet data feeds are all priced on an a la carte basis. So have a conversation with your FactSet data solutions specialists, and they'll be able to walk you through what that looks like. But it'll provide access to all of the underlying content that underpins the web app we just saw.
Right. And then other question we have came in is, what other native apps are available?
So there's a lot of really exciting pieces that are being worked on. As I mentioned at the beginning, FactSet and Snowflake have been partners for a very long time, and we continue to expand and build on that relationship. I know one piece that is coming in the near future is an application built around portfolio analysis on portfolio holdings versus benchmarks on an attribution basis. But all of the FactSet content sets, all 42 of them, are available natively in the FactSet and the Snowflake Marketplace, which means really infinite possibility about connecting and building anything from LLMs to security reference files to systematic and discretionary research processes.
Great. Well, if you'd like to test this out for yourself, you can find the Continuus Cargo Shipping App powered by FactSet out now on the Snowflake Marketplace. You'll find instructions for testing access and how to use the FactSet datasets as well listed in their Snowflake listings. But thanks so much, Cole and Caleb. Really great to see this all today, and looking forward to the next one.
Thanks a lot, Kellen. Very excited.
Thanks.
Thank you for your time and have a great day.